When you log in, you arrive at the start page, also known as the student section. This part looks the same for both teachers and students, except for the button Go to Teacher section. This is only visible for teachers. Here you can see your name and your school. In the right corner, you can see the points you have earned by watching the videos and doing quizzes. You have to watch 80% of the movie before it gets registered as seen and is eligible for points. Also, on your right, you have a house. There, students can see the homework they've been given. The teachers, on the other hand, see and manage user requests. Here you can approve students and coworkers that wants to sign into your school's account. Next to the house, you see a cog. Here you can change the language on the site to English, merge two accounts, log out, amongst other things. In the left corner, there is a button called Subjects. By clicking it and moving the marker over the menu, you can see the 13 subjects available. Now you can start navigating around our movie library. For example, Mathematics, Introduction to Mathematics, Arithmetic. Here you find a video, a description of the subject, the transcript from the movie, and the concepts. Up here you can see how you navigated. Go backwards, click the navigation, or back in the browser. You can also search for a subject or a movie. The sun. Here you can choose movies based on which language they have available, or if you only want movies with quizzes, for example. Press the Binogi button to get back to the start page. Under the headline, Resume Studying, you can get suggestions of other movies you can watch, based on previously seen movies. Under your activities, you can see which movies you have seen and which quizzes you have completed. Have a nice day! If you have any more questions, contact us at support@binogi.se. And don't forget to subscribe.